Javeed from India.
Sure, I work for a software company. My company has got a new project for an automobile company's insurance code. They want me to develop a website which will display the code. For example, if an accident happens, depending on the nature of the accident, if the affected person have any children and other factors, the code will be displayed. My job here is to develop this website to show the code to the users, and my company is also forcing me to do this. So is it permissible for me to do it?
So let me get this straight. Your company is not an insurance company, but your job is to develop an app where you can decide whose fault was it in a car accident. Is that true?
Also, it will develop a code. For example, if the depending upon the accident, if the also the nature of the accident, and if the affected person have any children, the code will be generated for how much money the insurance will be paid.
How can you estimate the amount of compensation to be given?
It depends on the automobile company. They will be giving the data depending on how they have it.
Okay, I will answer you, inshallah. I remember your question. Javeed from India says that he's responsible for an app that decides who is at fault when car accidents take place and what the compensation should be from the one who's wrong to the one who is the victim. I don't see any haram in that because this is not mandated. This is not something enforced. This is something usually either the government forces it and implements it and you can not do anything about it, or it is something that they both agree upon, that such an app would be the arbitrator between them and to set this. So inshallah, there's no problem in that. And have you ever taken a counseling session with me? Go to my website and you will find counseling sessions and apply for one. If you can afford it, that's good for you. If you cannot, you're entitled for one free session. And this is for everybody. If they can affirm by Allah that they cannot afford it because they're poor, I'll give them one free session without a problem, a full half an hour. So come to me and let's speak about it, inshallah, within the following 2 days or 3 days. And bi'idhnillah azza wa jal, I will try and seek Allah's guidance to solve your problem once and for all, bi'idhnillah.